Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. Stocks edge up, dollar eases before long holiday weekend. So as we all know, my dear friends, that we have Christmas coming up on Monday. So as a result, market is celebrating holiday and we are going to have a long one. Usually, we don't get to see much activity, much volume or volatility after 28th or 1928th of December, and we get to see a silent market, flat market till second week of January, or you can say the 9th to 10th of Jan. But this December was a little bit surprising because there was very much volatility in the market. Market was crazy. Yesterday, gold made a high of 2070, and this was surprising. Still, if you don't like this type of market, then obviously you can start trading again after the first week of January, and you can expect a normal market after that. Okay. And if you look at the economic calendar, you can see clearly that on Monday, 25th December, we have a bank holiday around the world. On 26th also, Tuesday, we have bank holidays around the world. Okay, so as a result, you can expect the normal market activity to resume by Wednesday. Okay, I'm talking in general. Okay, not specific goal, but overall you can expect that if you still want to trade, then you can expect that by Wednesday, by Thursday, there will be some volatility and you can try to scalp. Okay, you cannot, as a swing trader or position trader, you cannot expect a good position, but as a scalper, day trader, yes, you can expect to make 20-30 pips if you want. So this is the chart of DXY. Let's look at the chart of DXY first. DXY, yes, made a low of 101.46. Not much volatility, but still, as per our expectation, DXY made a lower low. So the structure of the market is still very much intact and we were ready for it. This was not at all surprising that DXY would be forming lower low. And in the coming days, we can expect that DXY will be heading towards 100 level because overall the trend is down, market sentiment is down, and there is no factor also that will be bringing a trend reversal. So we can expect that DXY will be under pressure for the next coming days. Next big event for the market will be NFP next year. Till then, we can expect that there will be pressure on the chart of DXY. So as a result, you need to plan your trades accordingly. I will not be talking about any levels on DXY because it is not very much relevant to us. You just need to know that which direction DXY is heading, and it is towards the downside. And right now, there is no sign of recovery also. And this is the chart of gold. You can see I am on the 1 hour time frame. And yesterday, remember I told you guys that 2070 should be the level, okay, and it should be the monthly closing. To be honest, I was not expecting this kind of accuracy. I just told you guys in general, but when I saw in the morning, okay, when I saw in the morning, then market reversed from 2070, I was shocked also. Okay, yes, it is true that in the last 10 11 years market has taught me many things, but yes, but I'm not that good also. Okay, so as expected, market is still going up, and as I told you guys that market should break 2055 level, the previous high here, and market broke also, and we can see that the 2070 is the new high of the market. What? 2070 is the new high of the market. And whenever you will see a market like this, a trending market like this, always keep in mind the previous high or the resistance, okay, are not very reliable because they are weak levels. But if the market is not very volatile, if the volume is low, especially in this type of situation where we have holidays, you can expect that 2070 will be working as resistance. So on Wednesday, Thursday, if you see the market is not very bullish, if the market is silent, then you can expect that around 2070 market will face some selling pressure, and as a day trader you can look for a selling opportunity. What you can do is once market will hit 2070, observe the market If you see market is reversing, if you see market is showing price rejection from above, you can hit the sell button. But for scalping and day trading only, okay, you cannot take a sell position and forget. Okay, this is not the ideal thing here. And right after the market opening, if you see gold going down, then you can observe the market around 2047. You can see around 2047 we have the next support. I'll explain here around 2047. It can be 2048, it can be 2046 also, because always keep in mind the levels, okay, they always work as zones, not as a particular line. For our convenience, we always draw lines, but we cannot deny it that the levels, they always work as zones in our market. So around 2047, we can expect that right after market opening, market will face some, not face, okay, market will get some buyers. So once you'll see the market is taking support around this level, as a day trader scalper, you can also go for a buy position. But keep in mind, this is not a very strong support. So the volume should be low, the size of the candles should be low, then, because see, in every market we have many levels, okay, but not all levels have the equal amount of strength. Some are strong, some are weak, and this is a weak one, okay, but still we can consider it because of the low volume. So around 2047 we have the first support. And on the other hand, if you see the market is going down with big red candles, market is full of surprises, okay. So in that case, you can look for second support around 2033. Okay, 2033 is the second support, and then we have the third support around 2022 to 2015. Remember, we talked about 2015 earlier also. So these are the three support levels. Let me write it down: 2047, around 2047, around 2033, and 2022 to 2015. Okay, so these are the three levels where we can expect strong presence of buyers, and we can take a buy position accordingly if market takes support. Why 2047? Because you can see I have drawn Fibo. We have 23.6% retracement level plus previous support plus previous resistance will be working as support. So if we combine all the factors here, it is a good support. And we can see 50 moving average also coming up. So if we combine both static and dynamic supports, yes, 2046 2047 seems to be a good level, and as a day trader we can expect a temporary bounce of at least 40 pips or $4. And the second support is around 2033 because of previous support around the area, and we will be having the 200 moving average plus Fibo 38.2% retracement level. 2022 to 2015 because of Fibo 50% retracement level and previous support around the area. So these are the three levels, and considering the present trend of the market here, always try to look for a buy positions, okay, because even if you get stuck or if you trap, at least you will get an exit in the future. Because gold, the yellow metal, okay, the overall trend is always towards the upside. So if you're a seller and if you are stuck in a bad sell, then you may not get an opportunity to exit in the future. But gold buyers always get an opportunity to exit, okay. And right now the trend is up, so try to respect the trend of the market and try to look for buy positions only. And right now we don't have any news also, so we can expect that the same market sentiment will be continuing for the next couple of days. And I have recently received many requests again for reliable forex brokers. I have received emails in the comment section also, okay, I have seen. So I'm making a list. Yes, I'm making a list of brokers so that you can pick the best broker for you according to your own need. Okay, last time I came with GTC. GTC also a good broker, but Indian clients, okay, for Indian clients, okay, GTC has been unable to provide the bank transfer, the smooth banking transfer. For crypto, GTC is extremely good. To be honest, I have taken payments from GTC, and in 2 to 3 hours always I receive the crypto payouts. But in case of bank transfer, okay, for Indian clients you need to be extra careful. But yes, I have considered all the points, okay, of a trader, and soon I'll be releasing a long list, not long list, okay, I'll be releasing a list of 4 to 5 brokers, okay, for where I'll be covering everything, okay, so that you can choose accordingly. Like for news trading, okay, those who want to trade on news, those who only want safety, those who want high leverage, okay, for everyone, okay, I'll have an option. Anyways, that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much, and have a lovely weekend. Enjoy the lovely time. Merry Christmas in advance, and bye bye. Take care.